So now discuss about how to create a Facebook events. Suppose you run event by the day before yesterday or someday you can run by one event. How to promote your event and using with the Facebook. So here event will be two types. One is called profile. We can get one more event. Page will be one event. Two events we can create by using Facebook. So here I can show into the Facebook page. Just come to here. Click for all option here. What is the option called is create an event. Click the option. So in this option here, first take any one image on your desktop. The image size will be called 828 by 315 pixel. Select one image here. So here, select that event name, digital marketing, training in Amir page, Hyderabad, location, Amir page. Maybe we can get by the technology. I can get by the demo by the Friday. So here. So when start with the Friday. Select by the Friday date. By what time? I can end it by the 7:30 p.m. It will finish by the same date 9:0. 7:30 to 9 my batch will be. So this is called, you can connect by the Friday 7:30 to 9 p.m. So here, you can give by the details here. So wait for a second, I give you the detail here. I'm adding the content here. So after that, I'm adding for the keywords. So relevant keyword you can add here. So check. You can policy one will be accept here. Here we can add by URL. Ticket URL where you can find the main URL. Maybe you can give the website URL. Just come here. Co-host. Who will be coming to the co-host? You can give with the names also. You can add the pages and the profile. Both will be accepted. Page and profile both. So here, what that is? My page. Accept by the page and profile. Both will accept by the co-host. So we can add by n number of persons by invite your these events. And second thing is we can even share by the groups. Two things applicable. We can share by the through persons and pages along with share by the group also. Just come to here. Posting. Anyone can this post? No, we can't accept anyone. What is that? Anyone can post. Admin by the approval by admin. Last one. Only host by the admin. But somebody looking for inquiries, they can post to my page. But I'm looking for admin approval. Suppose asking one question, you can give the reply for the question. So that call when approved by admin, they can show the post into the your event page. Is it clear? So first time give the event image, event title, and event location, and event date along with the time and end time. Now come to your description and ticket URL where you can find the contact details and co-host details where you can add by the member of list on your Facebook event and the posting event, and you can guest this display. No need to display by the guest list. I can disable by the guest list, nothing but co-host list who are coming to my events. I can't display by the that event members images. So clear what the option call is? Publish. What is that? Save draft. What is that? Boost event. But here what the option call is? You can schedule by the post will be accepted, not show the back date. Event is not purpose of only for schedule by the up to post date, not by the back date. So they accept only for schedule by the post date. How many months? They accept up to 6 months. So clear? Now I'm clicking for publish. So even done by the one click, they will go to the publish. Here three things important. One is called event name, image, and event details and URLs. So my event was created. This is my event URL. This is my event URL. Take this URL event, you can share it to anyone URL. Then open. If anyone interests, they click for interest your URL. Then my URL. Customer training in Amirpet and Hyderabad. See this public. When my training will be, event will be March 2nd. Time will be 7:30 p.m. to 9. The clear? This is called create your event on your Facebook. Same we can create by event by the Facebook. Same like we can create by the Google Plus also. We can discuss by the thing with the Google Plus. So this is called create by the events on the Facebook. Same will be there into the your Facebook profile also. If you go to the Facebook profile, they're showing by the right option, the left side. The option called is events. You create by the event by the, your Facebook profile also. So simple here, I can go to the profile. What the option call is event. Same image, event URL, and description, event URLs. Clear? Event purpose is you are conducting anything events, maybe classes or interviews. Anything can make the events. Maybe marriages also. We get the events. Even nothing but we can invite to the your friends by using the one event URL. These are complete information where the event is, location, everything. Give the information by where? By Facebook events. So this is my event URL. Copy this event URL. So option call is I'm set by any page here. Copy the event URL along with the proper information. Click here. Before that, select here. Click for publish. Then here, how much time will take in the event will be promoted with where? My page. Page to be shared by where? Groups. Is it clear? This is called event URL can shared by where? Facebook page along with the description everything. So we even post done by into the your Facebook page.